Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing concept of turning Tesla's Cybertruck into a cutting-edge combat unmanned ground vehicle, UGV. Yes, you heard that right. The Cybertruck, with its robust design and advanced technology, could potentially revolutionize military operations. Now, you might be wondering, how could a civilian electric vehicle make the transition into a military powerhouse? Well, let's break it down. First off, the Cybertruck boasts incredible potential for military applications. With its sturdy build and innovative features, it's not hard to imagine it as the perfect platform for a variety of military tasks. Imagine this: a Cybertruck equipped with remote weapons and sensors, capable of navigating rough terrain and engaging targets with precision. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's closer to reality than you might think. The key lies in the Cybertruck's adaptability. Its spacious interior and powerful battery make it an ideal candidate for autonomous operations. With the right modifications, it could serve as a versatile UGV, performing tasks ranging from reconnaissance to combat support. Think about it: a fleet of Cybertruck UGVs patrolling the battlefield, gathering intelligence and providing fire support without putting human lives at risk. It's a game-changer, to say the least. And let's not forget Tesla's expertise in autonomous driving and artificial intelligence. By leveraging their cutting-edge technology, we can unlock the full potential of the Cybertruck as a military asset. But of course, this idea is still in the conceptual stage. There are many challenges to overcome, from regulatory hurdles to technical limitations. However, with the right investment and innovation, the Cybertruck could very well become the future of military mobility.